My name is Dan C. Bearded, and I think about beard stuff for a living, for a career. It's pretty crazy. One of the opportunities that I have is to partner with Deadman's Beard Co. to create beard content, usually around their products, for you guys on their YouTube channel. If you haven't, subscribe to their channel, hit the thumbs up on the video, and let's talk about some liquid beard butter today. And I know, Dan, I've heard of liquid beard butter. Liquid beard butter's out there. This is unlike any liquid butter that I have personally experienced myself. Normally, liquid beard butters are taking shea butter, removing the long chain fatty acids, which are good for the beard hairs. Want to make sure we're super clear on that. Good for the beard hairs, and they are left with shea olein oil or shea nut oil. Zero issues. I use them. I enjoy them. This is different though. This is doing a similar thing. This has shea nut oil, shea olein oil, I believe, if I remember correctly, it's the number one ingredient in here, the most potent ingredient. That's a liquid butter, quite literally by the name. But then there's another butter after that, kupaku butter. That's special. It is in a semi-viscous state. I'm actually going to show you guys right off the jump here, and I'm going to apply it to my skin because you can put it on your skin as well. I don't recommend on the skin underneath the beard, but for sure, I got the sriracha top all off here, but we'll make this work. So let me see if I can show you guys. Okay, see this here? I'm going to get it nice and slow. Okay. This is not an oil. This is thicker than that. I'm going to apply this to my tattoos. I'm going to apply it to my elbows. It's incredible nourishment. But one of the things that gives it that unique texture where it's not a liquid would be that kupaku butter. And one of the most amazing qualities about it is it retains up to 440% of its weight in water. Yep, that's real. Meaning, dry beards are our enemy. Retaining moisture is a challenge on our porous hairs. You're telling me I can put a butter in that's going to absorb and hold 440% of its weight with liquid, which is like 200% more than any butter that I've ever researched? Incredible. But Dan, what about those long chain fatty acids that are removed in the shea olein? You said that that's good for hair. Well, Bryant was able to get plant-derived triglycerides to replace those long-chain fatty acids, and they are derived from olives. Essentially, they go in, and you can take different aspects of an olive, right? You can go in and get the squalene molecule from olives. Just squalene, the molecule. The same way we can take coconut oil and remove the long-chain fatty acids so it becomes a liquid, we can do the same to olives. We can remove those triglycerides, but we can use them and put it in a product like this. And in my opinion, it's a higher quality triglyceride or long chain fatty acid as compared to well, Dan, if coconut oil has long chain fatty acids, why not just use that? I believe it's better for the hair. It's less likely to clog your pores if it does get down to the skin. This is special. The people are going crazy. My circle of people getting back to me are going nuts. Bryant said he did not expect the floodgates to open when he dropped this liquid beard butter. And he actually says if we're talking about nourishment, he recommends their solid butter more than the liquid. That's fair. That's an honest, transparent owner. It really comes down to the ease of use. Are you traveling and you don't want to worry about the normal butter melting and leaking? Are you someone that at the end of the night, you don't even want to go through the simple exhaustion of melting a butter down? You just want to pour it and put it in? This would be a good option for you. Or are you just someone that wants to switch it up? Maybe you don't like the feel of beard butter and you want to try something new. I love this. My wife uses it on her dry skin. It's an incredible product. And when I make these videos, Bryant doesn't give me a script. He doesn't tell me what to talk about. Oftentimes he leaves the topic up to me. This one, he was like, I would love a video on our liquid beard butter. That was it. I got to take it wherever I wanted. Those are the most important things to me. I want to hear from you guys though. Down below in the comments, I know many of you watching have tried this. What was your experience like? What questions do you have for Bryant? Go check it out on the website today and then come back and be like, all right, Dan, thank you. You were right. Have a great day, guys.